What would you say to teenager who every time say bad word each other?
보고 로치 somne 주고바루게 보고 된다기 랍달 데베깔 콘주파도 게제셰베깔 칭년된데 표주당도스 딜레야지 탑시 가르쳐요 나스도
더 식수를 주부이네 그심 시딩아리거나 저도가
I mean even though they may use bad language but if their mind is at peace I mean that's okay
So grateful to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
제가 가보충수
tukcheche.
나 잠보이네 샘주부이나
On the other hand, you know, you may be talking very politely, but in your heart, you may have evil thoughts, and that's not good.
샘 잠보데 개치르와
Now, so, you know, peace of mind is more important.
So tukcheche.
Gentleness.
Tukcheche.